Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Placement Talks. I am Darshan Gure. From past 2 months, maximum students asking me that, Sir, when Wipro NLTH will be conducted? When will the forms out? When can we apply? So we are here to inform you that Wipro has finally released date on which it will be conducting NLTH. So without wasting any time, look more into the details which they have shared. So NLTH program, that is National Level Talent Hunt 2021, which is a freshers hiring initiative to attract the best of 2021 engineering talent across the country. Eligibility criteria for NLTH: 10th standard 60% or above, in 12th standard or in diploma 60% or above, and graduation should be 65% or the CGPA which is equivalent to 65% or above by applicable by the university guidelines. And this is only for 2021 batch passouts, and the qualification should be BE or BTech and 5 years integrated MTech. Study of branches like CES branch can apply, IT branch can apply, and circuit branch can also apply for this. Designation would be project engineer as they have mentioned, and the compensation given which is 3.5 lakhs per annum, and there will be agreement of 12 months which is 1 year. You should work 1 year compulsorily. If you are leaving the company within 12 months, then you need to pay 75,000 rupees compensation. And other criterias like maximum of 3 years of education gap would be allowed between 10th and the graduation, and should be from a full-time degree course recognized by the state government of India. Like part-time degrees are not allowed. All backlogs need to be cleared at the time of the selection process. Candidates who have participated in any interview process held by the Wipro in the last 6 months are not eligible. If you are selected in any Wipro exam and given an interview in past 6 months, then you are not eligible for NLTH, and should be an Indian citizen. And if you are from Bhutan and Nepal, then you need to submit your citizenship certificate. Next is the selection process. Every eligible candidate must go through below online assessment. That is, you will be having a 3 rounds: aptitude test, written communication test, and online programming test. The detailed explanation given in the article, you can read it from the link given in the description box. And also I have given the exam pattern and the other details you are required for that. The NLTH exam will be held tentatively between 11th Jan 2021 to 17th Jan 2021. So this is all they have told. So here still two things which are not cleared by Wipro. Like the first one, is this Wipro is a on campus or off campus? That need to be cleared by the Wipro employees. And the second thing is, where is the application link? Where to apply? They have not released that. They have only told the eligibility, exam pattern, and when is the last date to apply. They have told that January 5th is the last date to apply for NLTH. That is, still we have time. So there may be a chances that in this week or next week they will release the applications form. So stay tuned. So we are updating regularly in our Telegram channel. If you are not yet joined that channel, the link is given in the description box. Join the Telegram channel and do subscribe our YouTube channel so you will never miss any updates. So we are going to update regularly about the placements and on campus, off campus, exam patterns and everything. If this Wipro started the applications, then we will update in our Telegram channel. So link is given. So everyone join. So thank you for watching.